Okay, so now once you are all logged in, you've changed that temporary password. That brings you to the My Services page of the Truck Connect portal. You'll see the programs in white are the ones you have purchased through the entire portal. You'll see DPA Inspect is white because we have purchased it. The rest of these services are either coming soon or are grayed out because you do not own them. So you've bought the program. How do you download it? We're going to go up to the right hand corner here. You'll see a couple options associated with your account. In this case, we're going to click Downloads. We're going to navigate to DPA Inspect. You'll see you have an Inspect manual available here to look at. And then obviously the download for the application. So we're going to click that and we're going to download the program. If you're on Chrome, you'll see in the upper right hand corner the program has been downloaded. We're going to click that. And then it should open up a installation. And we're going to install the DPA Inspect software. We did purchase a DPA XL V13 kit with our landing page purchase. So when that gets here in your hands, you're going to want to go to dgtech.com. You'll see right off the bat, you'll see the tool you ordered, our DPA XL. But we want to have the right drivers in order to work with the program. So we're going to go down here to Documents or Downloads. Click on the DPA family of products. You'll see the latest DPA XL version is listed here. And we are going to download. Okay, so now that your DPA XL drivers are up to date, let's boot up DPA Inspect. You should have an icon appear on your desktop. If not, you can use the search bar down below. And you will open up your DPA Inspect software for the first time. So we're going to put in that username that we used to sign up on the portal that matches our CARB tester ID email, and I cannot spell. We're going to input the same password that we changed from the temporary password. And we're going to log in. And then you'll be able to use the DPA Inspect app as intended. So after we're done using the DPA Inspect software, you'll go back to the Truck Connect portal. You'll go to the My Services page. The exact URL is truck-connect.com/my_services. You'll log in and you'll get back to your My Services page where you'll be able to click on the DPA Inspect icon here. And it'll take you to a chart of the scans that you've run, if they were submitted to CARB, and the status as well. So that wraps up the Truck Connect purchasing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed.